Celebration of Dolphy's birthday began just 2 days before he turned 80, with the launch of the book, Dolphy, Hindi Ko Ito Narating Mag-isa, his very first autobiography. Along with the book is his 2-part documentary DVD detailing his personal and public life. As expected, it was a star-studded affair, as celebrities from the world of entertainment, fashion, politics, and business came together to join the comedy king as he celebrates 80 glorious years of his life. Aside from the cocktail feast, the party included a non-visual presentation, a photo exhibit, a short tribute speech from a few people, ABS-CBN President Ms. Charo Sanchez Concho, Ms. Beth Cortesa, the book's writer, and Eric's introduction of the Dolphy 8 para sa Pinoy Foundation. Of course, the highlight of the affair was the unveiling of the controversial Taglish book, the first of its kind in the Philippines. And Dolphy was on hand to sign the books. In all of Dolphy's 80 years, never before has there been a day like this, and surely never will there be another. Truly a day to remember.
Pangalan ko talaga yun. Yun ang palayo ko talaga. Pagdating kay Dr. Perez, why not use your name? Maganda naman yung Dolphy, very unique, sabi ni Dr. Perez. Yan na lang ang gamitin natin. One single name lang, Dolphy lang. Nagtitinda ako ng langis.
Alam niyo ba kung anong unang trabaho niya? Nagmamaneho ng taxi. Taxi driver yan. Hindi ba pare?
Mali. Pichero ako na wala pang taxi.
Knowing Dolphy and his being a gentleman, he won't tell all.
May hirang bakos ng inchig doon. Yung minahal ko talaga na magbibilang sa daliri.
Simula na maging kumpare ko si Parin Dolphy, ay 4 na nagiging kumare ko.
Halos lahat na nakaptam ko na. Hindi nga ako naging multi-billionaire na talagang maya-maya. Pero I consider myself mayaman na lang ako dahil marami kang kaibigan, di ba? Hindi naman sa pagkukuhan, pag-sex naman eh, okay naman ako.
Probably my complaint is too much.
Alam mo na, magkana nito 61 years old lang.
Magbibigay lang ako ng tribute. Doon sa nalalaman kong dapat nabigyan ng tribute, pare. Kamukha ni Teroy. Yan eh, bago ko bigyan ng tribute yan, papatayin ko muna yan.
Kulang ang tanging babae pinakasalan ni Dolphy! Kulang!
He is made of love.
Has come out really one of the best human beings.
We owe him a lot.
Mas ladies man si Dolphy. Ano ko ron? Whoever told you I was a ladies' man? I was never a ladies' man.
Siyempre, ang kuya ko, si Kuya Dolphy. Overall, surrender.
Okay.
Si Dolphy, father of perpetual hell. Well, hindi siya masagulero katulad ko.
Picture ko nilalagay sa kusina eh. Oh my God! Di ba nakakapikon?
Front page ka, hindi dad. Ikaw nasa dyaryo, Dolphy nakalagay. Wala naman yung pangalan ko. Di ba? Dolphy's son. Maliit yung son. Yung Dolphy malaki.
It took a while before I was able to talk to him again about coming up with this foundation for him and all that. And this is what he said, don't you think it's too late? I said, Dad, it's never too late.
Even told my dad, Juana, I need you to be real for this project, not one-sided na palaging good thing lang. Gusto ko nga lumabas yung pangit. Kasi pag nilabas mo yung pangit and the good things can still exceed those pangit, that really means you're a great person.